I received those semi-cured nail gel strips free to try, and they're so easy to apply. I tried it on my hand here first, and it was a breeze. It starts with cleaning up your nails. They have included the prep pads here, and you have to wait for them to dry really well. There are two designs included, and so you can mix and match or use them separately like I did. I used on one of my nails the same design but upside down, so the more side with the glitter was on the bottom, the other ones at the top. So this is also a versatile application. They're so easy to apply. You remove the top film and then you pick the strip here. You attach it to your nail, making sure it goes all the way to the sides, and you press it really hard, because the way it cures, that's how it stays. And the stick and the file are included here, so you go with it and you just press it really well, following the shape of your nail. And if your nail is longer, follow that shape as well. And then with scissors, you have to trim carefully around it. And even if you're not that careful, you can still go back and file it when it's cured. Once you get your nails, then you use the lamp to cure them. I do a lot of crochet tutorials, and my fingernails always have to look really nice, and I like how quickly you can get gel nail polish with all these fun designs and be ready for work in no time.